Okay, I got to shoot this video over again because Microsoft was so nice as to erase all my videos off my computer. Now what I'm making is an accessory windshield. I have this one. It's small in size, but it's really cloudy. And what I'm doing is tracing out. This is another windshield that was broken down here. I've cut all that off and gotten rid of it, and so I can't show it to you. But this is to give you an idea. I took the hardware off. I got it all stuck in there, and I copied this design, and I used a Dremel tool with an aluminum bit to carve that out. And what I'm doing is getting a little bit bigger style of this, and I'm going to have to, I'll go back and do some checking, but I'm going to have to do a curve on the bottom to make this work. And it ought to be a lot better because it should be able to move more air. But let me get another video after I put the hardware on and maybe get an idea of how the angle should be and all. Okay, I got the windshield out here near the motorcycle, and I'm going to put it on the mounts right there shortly. But what I wanted to show you guys is up close here. See how I had to radius this out? I had to really radius that out to fit this, and I had to go with longer screws. So I used washers on here and lock nuts to spread the load out and make it stronger. Now on the front side I used a countersink style of washer that looks good, and they were stainless steel. And when I put it on, I'm going to check for where I want to put my cut at on the bottom. So let me get that put on and go to the next video. Okay, this is what the bike looks now. I cleaned the windshield with ammonia-free window cleaner, and I put a coat of hard wax on it, like automotive wax. And I don't have the windshield on yet, but let me put this over here, kind of give you guys a look at where I'm at right now. I've used about 80 grit sandpaper, no, 120, I'm sorry, 120, and I rounded all them edges using just a regular old file, and it's really smooth. And it'll fit up in this direction like this. So let me get the hardware and the stuff and install it, and then give you guys a view of what it looks like afterwards. Okay, I've got it installed, and wherever, well, it was making contact there. I'm trying to adjust it out. I want these little pieces of hose to be the guard against that. And you see, it extends the windshield up. That's kind of what I'm after, is to get this higher, but be more swoopy. And it's a lot clearer than that other one I had. I may play with it. I got to test it and see how all that works out, because I may have done all this work for nothing. But the other windshield was pretty bad shape. I mean, you wax these, and I use a liquid wax when I'm on the road to clean it with and add, more slickness to it. You can see how good it looks right now. Like I said, I used ammonia-free window cleaner, and then I put a hard wax on there. the kind you put on the body of a vehicle. And but when I'm on the road, I'll use a liquid wax to clean it. And I think maybe one more video or so after I test this out. I kind of don't want to set this up too far to put too much stress on all this stuff here. So we'll see. We'll see.